CJ Lore, coming from our newest listing at 191 Locust Hill Drive, literally across the street from Locust Hill Country Club, but you get the advantage of Henrietta taxes. So let me show you around the house. It's 1,586 square feet above grade level, but it's a walkout basement, like a completely walkout basement. So the whole basement is actually above grade level technically. So the true square footage is 2,900 square feet with all of that included. It's 4 bedrooms, but with the finished basement and the way that I'll show you it's configured, it's really more of a 5-bedroom too. And you could seriously use it as a 6-bedroom. And it really wouldn't take any modification at all to make it a 6-bedroom, and I'll show you why. But in here, you got the living room with a wood-burning fireplace and an awesome brick. I don't know, this isn't a mantle. Is it a mantle? This is a mantle. This is just the fireplace. House has radiant heat, which is ultra efficient, especially in a cold winter. Upstairs, now this is a ranch, so the upstairs is really the main level and the downstairs is really the finished basement. But we've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms up here and a full bath. There's 3 full baths total in the house, 3.5 total bathrooms. You get a great view from the dining room. The house backs up to nothing, so you're back to a really nice, forever wild wooded area. The kitchen has newer stainless steel appliances, great big fridge, nice newer stove and microwave. The cabinets are solid wood, and the Corian desk kind of, hutch over here is really nice. You get the display cabinets. Half bath on the main level, and I like that this half bath is nowhere near the kitchen. There's an entire room between the half bath and the kitchen. And this is where your first floor laundry will go on this ranch. It's got all of the hookups you need to put your first floor laundry in, 220-volt box there, and all your water. 2-car garage attached right off the kitchen, with a regular door on the side so you don't have to open the garage every time you want to go outside, take the garbage out. So the basement of this ranch is honestly like a whole nother house. You get outside through here, the whole basement is below grade. So you're not in a regular basement in this house, but it is a basement. Your utility area is over here. The utilities of the house are in great condition. We've got a newer water heater. The boiler, boilers are like diesel engines to gas engines, meaning they last a lot longer than a regular furnace. Boilers last a really long time, and this one's not very old at all. What you have here, though, is you have 1,300 additional square feet. The main level of this house is 1,586 square feet, so we'll just call it 1,600. About 1,300 more square feet down here with a potential for like 3 more bedrooms. So you've got like a living area here. This, without furniture, is hard, but you can see that this could be a huge living area. Over here could be used for a family room, and that could be like a second dining room. This is a huge space. It's like a great room with a fireplace. So we're in the basement, glass block windows. Here's an obvious bedroom with a closet. So like this bathroom is really hard to show you because the door blocks the shower. But being a realtor is like one of the only jobs on earth where it's cool to be in close quarters with other people in a bathroom. So Desmond, come on in. We'll just get up in here together, real close like. And you can see that this has a shower, right? It's got a shower and it's got a jacuzzi. So you have both in this bathroom. This is another bedroom in the basement. So we had 3 bedrooms upstairs. Showed you 1, here's another. Now we're at 5 bedrooms. So why should you buy this house? Well, above grade level, it's 1,600 square foot ranch. one level living with first floor laundry. Basically, you're in Pittsford. You're across the street from Locust Hill Country Club, but your taxes are Henrietta taxes, which, if you don't know, are the lowest in Monroe County next to the city of Rochester. So there's that. But if that's not enough, the finished basement offers another 1,300 square feet of living area that could easily be used as an in-law. The backyard backs up to nothing, trees and wildlife. So you got real privacy back there. This house is mechanically spectacular. It has a 2-year-old roof. It has a pretty good boiler. Boilers last a really long time. This one's from 1993, which in boiler years isn't very old. It has a very new hot water heater. Did I say 2-year-old roof? It's also got a, I'm gonna say brand new garage door. The exterior is flawless. I mean, it's got great brick trim, and it's gonna be open pretty soon, and Desmond's gonna put up a thing with the date, and we hope to see you there. This will make a great house for you in a competitive seller's market where move-in ready houses are sold in hours for $30,000, $40,000 over asking. You can buy this house and bids start at $185,000 on a street that sells for $300,000 sometimes. So a ranch in a seller's market for $185,000, yeah, check us out.